Welcome! In front of me I have ALCATEL 1S and I'm gonna show you how to add the fingerprint on this device. First we need to open the settings. To do it, swipe left on the screen to go to the second page and then tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's scroll down and select security and location. Here tap on fingerprint, then tap on next. Now we need to set up a secondary lock screen method. For example, you can select fingerprint plus pattern plus pin or plus password. I'm gonna select fingerprint plus pattern, and now you can set up your lock screen method. I'm gonna draw my pattern, then tap next, draw it again, and tap confirm. Here you can select the profile for notifications, and once you're done, tap on done. And now we can touch the sensor with our finger. It's located at the back of your phone. Simply press the finger on the sensor and keep pressing with your finger on the sensor. Move your finger all around. Just keep pressing it and lifting it, and then tap on done. Now our fingerprint was added. You can see it right here. It says fingerprint and you have one fingerprint set up. Let's check out if it's working. So let's lock our phone and try unlocking it with our fingerprint. As you can see, it is working. And that's how you add a fingerprint on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on this video.